take a look at unique, especially in classics. 1987 Monte Carlo Coupe. This is an SS. Confirmed SS, you can tell with the VIN distinction, and of course a Z65 RPO code and some other ones on there. So true Monte Carlo SS. Under the hood now, 350 GM Goodwrench engine. That is paired up with the original numbers matching automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC components are all there. Compressor does kick on and off, has been converted to the 134, but I've not had it blow cold, so it may need a charge. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front fascia grille. Has had a repaint, then obviously you can see the cowl fiberglass hood that has been added to it. This is the original color of the car. Should have been silver metallic. Light gray cloth interior buckets. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the rally style wheels, Cooper Cobra radials, and you can see a custom paint theme with the flags added up and down the sides as well as to the cowl. Take a peek at the interior. We'll slip around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 373 rear gears according to the RPO code. Looks like it has newer shocks in the rear, aluminum radiator added right when the 350 was put in there. And again, if you want to check out the still pictures, you can see some of those things and more at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there, and you can see the car straight up and down each side of it. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. I'll go ahead and take a little closer peek at this interior for you. Door panels. Put the floor mats back in. There is still pictures. Bring the floor mats out so you'll be able to see the carpeting. Seats a little wear by the piping on the bolster here, but as far as the fabric, the cloth, that appears to be in good shape, front, rear, and passenger side. Headliner, intact, looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Wipers do work. Those working earlier. Aftermarket Sony AM/FM CD player added. That is in working order. Take a peek at the dash. Appears to be free of cracks and much wear at all. Also appeared the gauges are all working. Fuel gauge, assuming the temp gauge is going to come up with temperature, oil pressure, volts, and of course the tach. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350. Sounds good. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Alright, let me slip up to the front. We'll pop the hood, check out that engine bay.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you get a look at the fiberglass hood, cowl induction, and of course the engine bay. There you can see Goodwrench 350, aluminum radiator, power steering, power brakes, AC, nice tidy engine bay. It has been converted by the fitting there. Sounds good. Runs smooth. An 80s classic for you. 1987 Monte Carlo Coupe, True SS. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description, going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.